The best thing about this recipe is that it is easy, fast, salty, and fatty. And it is actually plant-based friendly. So let's get started with my version of Panda Express chow mein. First, I prep my veggies. The veggies I'm using include 1 rib of celery, half of a white onion cut into thin slices, and a large cabbage leaf that was rolled and cut into these ribbon-like strips. Next, I get a pot of water boiling that is well salted for my noodles. If you're like me who cannot find Chinese egg noodles, you can use these thin Japanese udon noodles. I've also seen people use soba noodles. I used half a pound of this exact brand of udon. Also going to start heating up my wok and getting that up to temperature. I want to make sure my wok is nice and hot before I put anything in it. This includes the oil. Once my wok is nice and hot, I pour in enough sesame oil to coat the surface. Next, I add my onion and celery. I'm going to cook these for a few minutes until they are nice and translucent. Once my onion and celery look something like this, I'm going to add 2 cloves of finely minced garlic. I really want to keep an eye on my garlic because I don't want to burn it. Burnt garlic will add a bitter and unpleasant flavor. Then I add my noodles along with enough soy sauce to cover them until they achieve that deep golden brown color. I keep tossing those around, just slightly crisping my noodles. Once my noodles have that stir-fry texture, I toss in the cabbage at the end and stir until the cabbage is wilted. After the cabbage is wilted, we're all done. And there you have it, a fast food favorite right in the comfort of your own home.